So, you and what is his name? Ian. All right. Yeah. So Ian and you are just cooperating, or
Yes.
you are in the same company? So, what are you going to cook for us today?
So we're going to do a couple different presentations for you. We're going to first start by getting some eggs cooking. So normally when you cook an egg in boiling water, that's about 215 degrees, and it takes about 12 minutes. So we're going to cook an egg at 148 degrees. So this is a very specific temperature, and it's going to take 65 minutes for this egg to cook now. And then the first thing that I'm going to make for you guys is it's a little bit hot outside today, so we're going to do like a strawberry daiquiri with we made some lemon vodka to go into it. So I hope that's okay for you guys to start with. This is a lemon head, so we have a candy here called lemon heads. So we put that in vodka and we let it dissolve. So this is a lemon flavored vodka. And then we're going to add a little bit of water to it too. So we're going to So it looks just like boiling water, but it's boiling because it's so cold. So we got everything in the bowl here. We're going to take our liquid nitrogen and start pouring it in here. So if we were to put this in like an ice cream machine, it would take over an hour to freeze, and it might not freeze because there's so much alcohol in it. So alcohol and sugar depend on if the ice crystals will form or not. So, but with liquid nitrogen, we don't care. We don't care about what's inside of it because it'll freeze whatever we want. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more. So as you can see, I have no idea if I put enough nitrogen in the bowl, if I put... that looks like green matter. So we're starting to freeze, starting to get a slushy. And then this is whipped cream. So it's just cream in here that's been charged with a couple nitros. So we're just going to shoot that in here. So anything that has a lot of air in it, so whipped cream, popcorn, Rice Krispie treats, the nitrogen gets trapped inside and then it doesn't get released till it hits something warm. So we're going from minus 320 to the temperature of your body is 100 degrees. So I'll show you what happens when we do that.
So what is this?
It's called a rare earth magnet. So it's a magnet. It's just really heavy. Yeah. Go ahead, feel it. It's pretty heavy.
Yeah, it's a whole...
So this is cold now?
Camera? Yeah, just a second. Okay.
So we've got the superconductor cold with the liquid nitrogen. Now I'm going to just push this magnet down a little bit. And I'm going to try to find a nice field for it to sit in and then release it. So that's floating in air right there. And there's no friction. And if we can get it to go really straight, what we do is we make really good chocolate truffles. So this is a key lime truffle. So we just put it on top. And then we spin it.